The mirrorless camera world in 2025 is moving faster than ever, and Nikon has just dropped what could be its most important APS-C release yet, the Nikon Z90. Designed for both photographers and videographers, this compact powerhouse packs a brand new sensor, blazing fast autofocus, powerful 6K video, and pro-level features that make it one of the most talked about cameras of the year. But here's the big question. Is the Z90 really a huge upgrade that changes the game for creators, or just another step in Nikon's journey? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the design, performance, and real-world features to find out if the Z90 truly lives up to the hype. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In the fast-changing world of mirrorless cameras, Nikon has continued to push boundaries with every new release. The company's Z-series lineup has grown from being a late entry into the mirrorless market to becoming one of the most competitive systems available today. Now, in 2025, Nikon has unveiled what could be one of the most important cameras in its APS-C and hybrid lineup, the Nikon Z90. Marketed as a versatile tool for both photographers and videographers, the Z90 promises to deliver professional-grade performance in a body that remains compact, affordable, and future-ready. With its improved autofocus, enhanced low-light capability, faster processing, and powerful video features, the Nikon Z90 is being hailed as a game-changing release. But is it truly a huge upgrade, or just another incremental step in Nikon's journey? This review takes a deep dive into every aspect of the Z90 to find out. When Nikon introduced the Z50 and later the ZFC, it was clear that the company had found a sweet spot for APS-C cameras in the mirrorless market. These cameras appealed to enthusiasts who wanted a smaller, lighter alternative to full-frame options while still benefiting from Nikon's powerful Z-mount ecosystem. However, both models were considered more entry-level than professional. The release of the Z70 was Nikon's attempt to bridge that gap, offering better performance while maintaining an APS-C sensor. But now, with the Z90, Nikon is clearly aiming at serious creators who demand high performance without breaking into full-frame prices. This camera is designed not just to complement Nikon's higher-end full-frame lineup, but to stand on its own as a powerful hybrid solution for modern creators. The design of the Nikon Z90 reflects Nikon's increasing refinement of its mirrorless bodies. Ergonomics have always been a strength of Nikon, and the Z90 continues this tradition. The grip is deep and secure, making the camera comfortable to hold even with larger lenses attached. Weather-sealed construction ensures that the Z90 can withstand challenging outdoor conditions, from dusty landscapes to light rain. The button layout is intuitive, giving photographers quick access to critical settings while maintaining the customizable controls that professionals expect. A high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder, paired with a fully articulating vari-angle LCD touchscreen, makes it clear that Nikon has built this camera with both photographers and videographers in mind. At the heart of the Z90 is its newly developed APS-C BSI CMOS sensor, paired with Nikon's latest X8 image processor. This combination delivers impressive resolution, better dynamic range, and improved low-light performance compared to its predecessors. Photographers will appreciate the ability to capture stunningly detailed images even in challenging conditions, while videographers benefit from reduced rolling shutter and cleaner output at higher ISOs. Burst shooting has also received a major upgrade,